Good morning, guys. And girls. And non-binary. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Look at NIO today. This is why you follow that's why sell rules are for. That's why sell rules are for. And look at NIO. It undercut the 10-day. Reclaimed it, close above it, and look at it now pre-market. It's up 11% pre-market. You know, this thing is on its way to 30. This is what sell rules are for. It built higher lows all the way. It didn't violate any support levels, except briefly the 10-day. And this is why the sell rules are for, you know, because they work. They work most of the time. This is why you just, you know, should just follow the sell rules and not your emotions or something Trump tweets or something Fed says or something China does, or, you know. We're getting to the stage of the market where you feel like you're missing out because there's so many things going up so much. Just incredible amounts of things going up, making big moves. I'm looking at some stocks, I'm like, oh, why am I not in it? It's disgusting. That's the way it is. Getting to that stage of the market. Peloton, I don't know, man. I don't think so, to be honest, because it's not extended enough. I don't see it as. I want this thing to be under the 10 EMA on the 60-minute chart. I want this 10 EMA to start acting as a resistance, not as a support, and then I would like to see it. Or if it still goes, you know, starts speeding up. I'm not really excited about it as a short right now. It was a mistake shorting it yesterday, I think. Or I should have done less size. I did too much size. The opportunity wasn't that good. It is what it is. NIO, yeah, I would let it go here. You know, I would let it go. I mean, the entry was here. This is where we bought it, right here, sub 20, in the mid 19s. That's where we bought it. That was the entry. That was the breakout. This is a continuation breakout, but again, it's gapping up. It's gapping up too much. I wouldn't chase it here. Wayfair. Yeah, it had a potential entry yesterday. Celsius had a potential entry yesterday. SRNE. It had some news flow. If you look for it, there were some news on it. But yeah, you know, this is something you should probably sell. Well, you should already have sold it since it's gapped down below your stop. You should already be out of this thing since it's fairly liquid. Yeah, Soxol, I tried it right now. Now it's gone sideways for 2 days, so now I'd like to see some backside on it. Or if it keeps going. VXRT. Yeah, well, these were like the bottom of the barrel ones in the COVID space, and there were some other ones like IBIO, and you know, they were like, you know, not the greatest names, but mRNA and not SRNA, NVAX. These are the like leaders in the COVID space right now. You made 40% on home. Wow, yeah. Wait, you made 40%, but it's not up 40% from the... It's up like 30% from the entry point, or would be entry point. Where did you buy it if you're up 40%? 36%? Well, good job. That's a 5-star breakout. This is how you do it. You made 40% on Kirk? That's awesome. Yeah. That's what that's, guys, this is exactly, yeah, that's correct. That's how you do it, and you do it over and over and over again. Buy good setups in a good market with correct position sizing, and you follow the entry rules, you follow the sell rules, and you identify the good setups. All right, let's see, what do we have here? XBEV, recent IPO, EV, I think it may have had some news today. Or maybe not, I don't know. Okay. TTD getting extended here. Man, this is one I wish I had bought. Up 55%. Twilio. Another one. This thing had a 5, or not 5-star, but like a 4-star breakout right here on this day here of the 100th day. I unfortunately passed on it. Snow looks like he wants to break out pre-market. Peloton. No. Okay. And Net also. This, you know, some of these names have made enormous move. Net is up 70% from where it bounced off the 100-day moving average. That's a big move. Palantir, I don't see a setup here. What was the news on NIO? Oh, JP Morgan upgrade. $40. All right, markets are open. Let's focus here. Not really a lot of good long setups today. Who attacked who? With the short gang? Who's the short gang? No one's shorting SRN. There's no setup there. RRR has no good momentum. It's taking at long range, but I'm not sure if this is a good momentum stock. I don't think it is. Hail Stealthy Boy, you have to explain yourself. Well, apparently it wasn't positive. Shorts attacked it after hours? Who? Twitter pumps? Yeah, blame the shorts. Yeah, that's a good strategy. It's funny, the same people who always blame the shorts, they never blame, they're always fine with someone pumping something on the long side. But someone goes and mentions something on the short side, they freak out. It's kind of funny how it works. It's like they want to eat the cake, but still have the cake intact. Yeah, those bastard shorts. Well, I can tell you, SRN is down 12%. Apparently the investor call wasn't that great. That's not the phrase? What's the phrase? Exactly. All your losing trades were because someone else. They don't have the right broker. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Okay. Why would I short SRNE? Out of all the thousands of stocks that are down on the day, why would you ask me specifically about SRNE? I mean, there's literally thousands of stocks down on the day. It's weird. But I see a lot of people are focusing too much on what other people are doing. Blaming the shorts. Who cares? Stocks go up and they go down. There's always someone doing something. Focusing on the wrong things. Solid cake science. RH a breakout? Well, it broke out yesterday, so I guess it's a breakout. Someone mentioned it yesterday. I wasn't really excited about it, but yeah, it's a slower moving stock. Now this XBEV is intriguing. Who the hell is calling me at this time? No, I'm not gonna answer. So, block that number. Okay, Beely looks like it's... What the fuck? They're calling again. Fuck off. Fuck off. Looks like Tesla is finally starting to go after several failed attempts. You're looking for lodging in Sweden? Why do you want to leave Ireland? If it's the weather, you're gonna be disappointed. The call is coming from inside the house. Don't scare me, man. That's scary. I still haven't made a trade. You know, this is the market where you just sit and wait for things to work. Spiele is not acting great. Let's see if it can bounce here off the 50-day. I don't know if they had news or anything, but looks like it's going down. Yeah. Yep, Tesla I bought yesterday. I kind of anticipated, well actually I didn't. It took out the previous day's highs by a few pennies and then it kind of pulled back a little bit and closed strong. So, but I don't have this size I had like a couple of days ago, unfortunately. I had like 8,000 shares like the times before. Now I only have 4,000. So. Yeah, but HYLN, is there setup there? KNDI. I mean, this thing has pump potential, obviously, but I don't know. I don't see a setup here right now. Nikola, well, Nikola is obviously its own risks, but Yeah, it's kind of, you know, flagging off the lows. Like this thing has big overnight risk, obviously, but you know, if it breaks out from it, could very easily go to 30, right? But it's not really as type, you know, it's just a hard stock. You know, focus on stocks that are that don't have the negative news flow like Nicola has. If I ever look at SEC filings, very rarely, very rarely. You should be in stocks where you don't have to worry about the SEC filings very much. Baidu? No, you know, no. You need to review the YouTube video. That one doesn't. That's not a good setup. A Grub. It's a very slow stock. 2.2 ADR. Extremely slow stock. JKS. No, there's no short setup here. It looks fine. JKS. This thing can go sideways for a while. It could have a high tight flag. I don't see a short setup here now. Just consolidating and building higher lows. GPRE, nah, I don't know. Maybe if it goes sideways a bit more. You don't need to read a single SEC filing to make tens of millions in the markets. You really don't. You really don't. Yeah, there's a lot of people who don't have the ADR conditions. Like I go through it at least a couple of times, at least once on the YouTube video, which you all should have watched at least once. The instructions are on the screen. You know, you should set it up. Because low ADR stocks are not only a waste of your time, it's also a waste of my time and everyone else's time. You know, if you keep putting those in the chat. High ADR stocks are gonna make you rich, not low ADR stocks. So we focus on the high ADR stocks. I know, I'm too nice. I haven't muted a single person. I think I muted David once. Hey David, you're the only person I have ever muted. Shut up. Oh yeah, I did ban the wheat trader. The weird guy. Damn, that was a scary guy. That was a really weird man. I wouldn't want to, you know, meet him in real life. The wheat trader. Was it weed? It looked like some more serious stuff he was smoking. Yeah, Mr. Viewbot, yeah. Chumia, you know what? Chumia is exciting. Like, you know, they are starting to pump this thing. The fundamentals don't really support it yet, but they are, you know, the pump is coming in. And, you know, it's not going away. It keeps coming back. So what I want to, you know, I'm gonna wait for a flag on this thing. Just like I did here when I bought this breakout. So maybe, you know, in a maybe next week or something, if you get a nice flag, I would definitely trade this thing. Like Amazon of Africa, that thing has a huge pump potential. Hey guys, wanna see PNL? Hey guys, do you want me to make the market go down? Yes? Oh no? 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 Yes? Yes? Next week? Yes? uh. Okay, so from my unbiased view, there's about 90% yes. Okay. I love democracy. It's the best thing ever. Wait, let me sell. This is from pre-market. And this is what happens when you cut your losses and let your winners run, okay? My oldest position is, yeah, so it's in the position of a chronological order. This is it. This is what happens when you focus on good setups. Cut your losses, let your winners run. These are my two main accounts. Yeah. That's what happens. Zillow and CrowdStrike are my oldest positions. I started buying them. Zillow I bought the 14th of September when the market was still had its first leg down, but before the next leg down. And CrowdStrike, where did I buy this one? Here, 21st. Okay, so CrowdStrike I bought after the correction ended. Actually, the day that was the low. Then the market retested that low, but CrowdStrike didn't retest the low. And since then, I just built with positions. I bought Fastly, CS, DDOG, ESDC, Twitter, all of these names. LI I bought a couple of days ago. Oh, by the way, yeah, Tesla. I bought that one pre-market. I also had it yesterday, but I got stopped out of that one. So yeah, so I also have Tesla here today, and I also bought XBEV in my Interactive Brokers account, which is a smaller position. So those are my positions, and Tesla, unfortunately, now it looks like it's actually breaking out, but I don't have full size. I had 8,000 shares yesterday and the day before, and now I have like 4,000. Yeah, it's that's what happens. I think it's an edge being in Mom's basement. I think it's a big edge. You're far off from Wall Street and all the noise. Yeah, I just realized I bought Tesla pre-market, or I rebought it. I got stopped out. I bought it like here yesterday when it took out the previous day's highs by a few pennies, and then it went straight down, and I was like, fuck it, I'll sell it. And then it started inching back higher, and closed strong, and so I bought it early pre-market, or half size. So Tesla's been a bit frustrating. It hasn't had a clean breakout, so I've taken a couple of decent losses on it. I lost like 20 or... no, sorry, 20... No, I lost like 40k twice, I think, on it, or something like that. So, but hopefully it can go now. Yeah, PLL... Yeah, I sold it yesterday. I sold it at the close. It closed below the 10-day, and now, yeah, maybe we get a new setup next week or something. Guys, all you need to succeed in the markets on the long side is a good bull market. That's it. This is not about being a genius or a rocket scientist. It's just, exploiting a bull market. Identify the trends, identify the strongest stocks, the stocks that the institutions want to own, and you buy them on good setups with good risk management. And you do it over and over again. Yeah, exactly. You need a good alert service. When there's a bull market next time, but we are in the middle of a bull market. We've been in the middle of a bull market for 6 months. And it looks like a lot of these stocks that had a strong day yesterday are having a weak day today, except for NIO. This thing is, holy shit. Straight up, wow. And LI too, yeah, the China EV stocks. That's why XBEV also broke out. Now I wish I'd bought more shares. Oh, whatever. Looks like all the EV stocks are breaking higher, including Tesla. Not only China stocks, but also Tesla. Yeah, I think it's going higher. BBBY. You're up 100% on the year. Congrats. That's nice. MDRR, what's that? Holy shit, what is this thing? Imagine if you bought this thing over the 1 minute opening range high at 211, 213 or whatever it is. You're sitting on a more than a double in 27 minutes. Amazing. MDRR, what's the... You're up 15% this month? That's awesome. 15% in 2 weeks, that's, you know, a lot of people are happy with 15% in a year. 15% in 2 weeks is pretty epic. Pretty epic. I can't even get the symbol MDRR on Finviz. I don't even know how much I'm up percentage-wise. I just don't keep track of it anymore. Or I do, but I usually always do it in hindsight. I have like a 6-month lag. So I'm too lazy. Oh, fuck. I guess I should have shorted some TTH. I see some of these names are starting to reverse. A little bit of rest in the markets wouldn't be bad. We had a 2-3 week really nice run. A lot of stocks are getting kind of extended. Kind of extended. But damn, this TTD. Oh man, I want to get into this thing on the short side. Yeah, man. I just jinxed the market again. I always jinx the market. What are some well, one, the stock goes up a lot in a short amount of time. 2, the stock doesn't go down much or not at all when the market goes down. That's how you see. That's why red days in the markets are a blessing. A blessing. It's the best thing that can happen, because then you see which stocks are really in demand. Oh, okay. I need to take a screenshot of this too. MIK. More OnlyFans posts? Yeah. I haven't verified my account, that's why. I need to verify my account. You want to gift me your firstborn? Okay. Yeah, just send it with UPS. I follow the sell rules. And I look at which stocks are holding up the best. So you want me to add the moderators on the Discord? I haven't been in the Discord channel in a while. Guys, don't. It's just one day, guys. Stocks don't go straight up, okay? Just chill out. Go take a walk. Who wants to be a moderator in the Discord? It's not very active. Or is it? No, it's... Wait, here. Okay. No, it's more active than I thought. It is active? Okay. Let's see. A frog is moving and cage is... How do you add moderators? on Discord. Oh wait, I think I figured it out. No, I didn't. Ah. I'll get to the Discord moderator thing later. I think I have to read up on it a little bit. Dominoes. It's a very slow stock. You shouldn't be trading it. That's my opinion on Dominoes. Why am I so quiet? Because I'm not talking. I'm doing some other stuff here. Damn it, wait, did I miss that Twilly, sorry, TTD entry? Oh, it looks like I missed that one. Oh, man, I wanted to get some of these things short, but I don't know. Peloton is still strong. Yeah, whatever. Oh damn, PLL, really? Why did this thing had to close below the 10-day? Sometimes that shit happens. They fake you out. Very annoying. NIU? Yeah, absolutely. Great job. This is what a good breakout does. I didn't think it had a great setup, but yeah, this is what a breakout should do. And NIO, don't forget to trim and trail if you didn't sell some after 3 to 5 days, and then use the 10-day, the closing below the 10-day as your final stop. I'm gonna do some back watch list cleaning here. Some catching up. Oh! Roku. Wait, never mind. That was the 21st. Okay, never mind. Wow, QDEL, what a mover from where it started breaking out from the after the bounce of the 200 day. Wasn't a clean setup, but sometimes these types of momentum stocks have a big run, then they go down a lot, and then they kind of bounce off these major moving averages and build a little bit of a base of the 200 or the 150, and then they go back up, and this is what happened to QDEL. Up 60, or it actually went up 70%. That's a big move. Like, you can build setups around so many different things. There's so many things that you can, if you can make it work, you can make money off so many different types of yeah, it's a hot sector, absolutely. You like to trade stocks outside the US? Why? I don't like trading anything outside the US. Yeah, can someone post a Discord link? Can someone post a Discord link for those who are not in the Discord, who want to be in the Discord? Pen setting up. Yeah, Pen is setting up. Oh yeah, it's setting up. If you can tighten here, yeah. What's Caesar doing? Is Caesar also? Yeah, Caesar too. But Pen and Caesar are coming back into play. Potentially. Codex. Yeah, it's tight. It's tightening. Yeah. Tupperware. Yeah, I think it needs more sideways. PLL, but PLL has no setup here. I don't see a setup for it. I don't see a setup on PLO. Like, I think, you know, unless it's something exceptional, I'm not really too excited about the markets over the next week. I think we need to, you know, go sideways a bit more. We've been straight up for 2-3 weeks. You know, some stocks, some of the leading stocks, they're up 40, 60, 70% in the past 3 weeks. So, you know, they need, you know, they need to breathe. You know, something like TTD. Look at this thing. I mean, it's straight up. You know. So I think a lot of the stocks, they need the 10 and 20 days to catch up. And then we'll see. Then we'll see what happens after the election. I still think, you know, like, well, we already know what's going to happen, so I don't think there's any uncertainty. I already know either Trump or Biden is going to win, and, you know, the market could do anything. We could sell off, or we could go straight up. And then you're gonna see a lot of the, you know, patting on backs. People are gonna be either, like, if you're a Trump supporter and the Biden wins and market sells off, Trump supporters like, hey, told you so. And if Trump wins and you're a Biden supporter and the market goes down at the election, All those people are like, hey, told you so. And vice versa, and all different combinations. You're just gonna see a lot of people say a bunch of nonsense and irrelevant things. And all you need to do is follow price action. That's your job. The election shouldn't even, you shouldn't even have to be aware of it, right? It's irrelevant. All you need to do is follow price action. If Trump wins, TAN will be lower, or it goes higher because no one can stop that trend. Imagine the clusterfuck people will have if TAN would be up on the day. If Trump wins and TAN will be up on the day, people's heads are gonna explode. What if this is a trend that can't be stopped, no matter who's president, right? What if solar is gonna be the next big thing, no matter what? I misstocked up the market. Oh, I know. It's incredible. I can't believe it. I should have just sold everything when I tweeted that. Any news besides the P&L screen? No. Oh, man. It's the best indicator. It has like an 80% hit rate. So Twitter, if it closes below the 10-day, I'm gonna size down a little bit. I'm not gonna sell everything. It's a bit of slow stock, so I'm gonna use the 20-day as my trailing moving average on that one. So, you know, just because it's a slower type of stock. And now, you know, in these types of days, this is where you see relative strength. This is where you pay attention. You sell the ones that stop you out. You know, you're gonna see which ones are holding up the best in your scans, in your watch lists. Yeah, exactly. Well, yeah. Let's see, Beely. I don't like this Beely red can. Did it have news? Did it have any news? Because all the other China names are strong and Beely's not. It didn't live stream the Apple event, so that's why it's down? What? I don't get it. JD is weak too. Oh, yeah, okay. All right. SRNE, what's the correct move? Wait. Where did you buy it? If you bought the, like, where did you buy it? Like, what was your stop? You bought yesterday and you're still in it? What the fuck, dude? You should have sold it pre-market. Or after hours even. This thing hit your stop in after hours. What are you waiting for? Dude, what are you waiting for? Yeah, get out. Hope is not a strategy. Exactly. Losers are to be cut as soon as possible. If you hold losers, you're gonna be a loser in the stock market. That's how it is. You only want to see green on your portfolio. You should have no tolerance for red numbers in your portfolio and big tolerance for green numbers. Tcon. Revisit. I don't know what your question is. If you bought the breakout, just follow the sell rules, guys. The sell rules are super simple. Okay, they're just so simple. There's no need to for first position. But why? I mean, it broke out 2 days ago. Now it's pulled back. You missed it, yeah. If you missed it, you missed it. You know, you guys know my stance on buying the dip. You gotta guarantee yourself you're gonna catch more failed breakouts. Yeah, socks, but I don't see a setup here. That's the problem. I don't see a setup here. Yeah, you know, yeah, we need the 10 and 20 day to catch up on the indices. That's what we need. So a little bit of pullback, you know, not out of them, not the end of the world. We've been straight up for a couple of weeks. Yeah, I was thinking about adding moderators, but I need to figure out how I do it first. Damn, TTD, I should have shorted it. Damn it. Oh well. Whatever. And now we see which ones are the strong ones and which ones are the weak ones in our portfolios and watch lists. This is good information. We want to get out of the weak ones and we want to keep the strong ones. Pinterest, yeah, it's holding up well. Yes, PWR is setting up together with EMPH, SCDG. Oh, EMPH is already breaking. What the fuck? Damn. These things are strong. The solar names are just incredibly strong. A CWT pod? I don't know what the hell that is. What the hell is a CWT pod? Oil companies? Yeah, a lot of oil companies are getting into renewables. They don't have a choice. That's a good thing. There's no need. There's no point in investing more into like oil when you can get into renewables. You know, that's the future. Especially with oil prices already so depressed. It's a business decision, you know. They want to be what's gonna be profitable over the next decades. Oh, CWT, chat with traders. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not gonna. I have no plans on being there. I haven't gotten an invite, so. But if I get an invite, maybe I will be there. I don't know. Chat with losers, yeah. I attend chat with losers every day. FMCI, what's that? I don't see a setup here. Needs to tighten up. With all the mutings. Yeah, I tried to add a moderator, but there was no moderator. I need to kind of create the moderator role, I guess. I didn't see it. Alright, I'm gonna do one more scan and I'm gonna fuck off. There is no value here for the rest of the day for me personally. Maybe there will be some short setup potentially. I'm watching TTD mainly. Like if you can bounce back to VWAP, maybe. Not super excited about it, but you know, this thing could be a scenario where it pulls back to the 10 or maybe even the 20 day. I mean, it's not super excited about it, but yeah, guys, please, can someone post the Discord link? SCDG, yeah, SCDG looks great. This is building a potential high tide flag. If these things can go sideways another 3, 4 to 5 days, oh man. SCDG, this thing wants to go to 500. Maybe. Yeah, thanks Lotbrock Trader. Alright guys, thanks for joining and see you tomorrow. Wow, MDRR, holy shit. This thing is down almost 50% from the highs. What a crazy stock. Alright guys, good luck. Follow the sell rules, don't freak out just because the markets are down 0.15%, no reason to freak out, you know. If you feel like you're scared, you can always size down, or okay, always sell down to your sleeping points. Alright, good luck rest of the day and see you tomorrow.